Bitcoin Cash explicitly is a mid-position cryptographic money as of now valued at 225.51 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of 4,390,165,172, which basically is genuinely critical over the in every practical sense past sort of couple of years cryptographic forms of money, including Bitcoin Cash, laid out areas of strength for and in the worldwide monetary world and fundamentally are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, products and unfamiliar monetary standards forex in a, for the most part, huge way. A few institutional financial backers even certainly consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances and the worldwide economy, or so they basically thought. Retail financial backers and dealers explicitly are really keen on digital currencies, certainly for example, BCH, in light of the fact that this is seemingly the most open monetary market where various resources explicitly have the in every practical sense potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a somewhat by and large brief time frame and a very significant manner. These profits explicitly are in every way that really matters unreachable and all things considered different business sectors, which for the most part is the motivation behind why most kind of moderate financial backers generally are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Bitcoin Cash, while the groundbreaking ones, by and large, give a huge piece of their genuinely funding to this quickly creating resource class in an exceptionally significant manner. At this kind of specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin Cash to the level at 225.51 where it presently in a real sense sits, as currently referenced. BCH, for the most part, is a mid-position cryptographic money, since it by possesses the 19th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the really metric that in every practical not entirely set in stone by duplicating the by and large current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, which is very huge on account of Bitcoin Cash. The market capitalization remains at 4,390,165,172. The significance of this boundary will become somewhat apparent in the future, which is extremely significant. Recently, on August 4, BCH was valued at 225.59 at the end of the two exchanging meetings. Keep in mind that cryptographic forms of money, in particular, change every day, so each exchanging meeting customarily closes at 12 p.m., which is ordinarily extremely important. 7 days prior, on July 29, Bitcoin Cash was exchanged at 241.81 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that in a real sense, near its essentially present position, particularly in spite of prevalent belief on July 5, which generally was precisely a month prior. The examiners exchanged BCH at 271.60, the cost level that is at the distance from its present position. The cost of BCH and the readings of CFIX generally are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, which really is very huge. Market capitalization really is another significant exceptionally metric that assists dealers with deciding the notoriety of the digital currency being referred to as well as its future possibilities, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. It's likewise used to sort of evaluate the offer that Bitcoin Cash especially holds inside the specially whole digital currency market, which in every practical sense shows that these profits in every way that really matters are impossible in truly different business sectors, which is the justification for why most truly moderate financial backers fundamentally are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with cryptographic forms of money late Bitcoin Cash, while the groundbreaking ones truly dedicate a critical part of their by and large cash flow to this quickly creating resource class. The formula for estimating market capitalization is relatively uncomplicated. As of the time of writing, the market capitalization of BCH remains at $4,390,165,172, making it the 19th largest coin on the digital currency market. Recently, on August 4, Bitcoin Cash's market capitalization remained at $4,390, compared to $5,045.34 7 days prior on July 29. Bitcoin Cash's market capitalization peaked at $4,705,885,748 1 month prior on July 5. 5.280038 URSA was the total amount of capital flowing around this buy and significant specific market in particular. Majority of cryptographic currency financial backers adhere to the rule that market capitalization also determines the risks associated with a specific digital currency and its ability to withstand disturbances, which are a common occurrence on this extremely volatile market. It's fairly obvious that Bitcoin Cash's market capitalization qualifies it as a mid-cap digital currency that belongs to the safe gathering, which is in a real sense very large. Since we've explicitly referenced the formula for calculating market capitalization, it would be appropriate to devote a substantial portion of this report to the stochastics. The greatest supply, which alludes to the quantity of coins that would ordinarily be created on a specific blockchain throughout its existence, the total supply, which alludes to the quantity of coins that have been delivered since the beginning of the venture, and the flowing supply, which alludes to the quantity of coins accessible for use, or, in other words, that are generally effectively exchanged on trade stages. In general, the highest Bitcoin Cash stockpile is 21,100,000 BCH. The current total BCH supply, in all practical terms, stands at 19,467,906 coins. The circulating supply of the cryptocurrency under review is essentially 1,467,906 BCH, which is contrary to conventional wisdom. This Bitcoin currency price forecast Wolden T can ordinarily be finished without the outline of the exchanging volume accessible inquiry, since it is the metric utilized by basically all digital currency dealers to affirm the quality of the pattern and the reasonability of a market move, or so they generally thought. For instance, assuming the breakout to the potential gain is happening on the back of the very low exchanging volume, they're in every practical sense incorrect. Bitcoin price prediction as BTC falls to support level of $26,000 by the dip? In the ever-changing world of cryptocurrencies, the price of Bitcoin is currently around $26,051. On Tuesday, it went down by 0.25%. Even though the way the market works is still changing, recent events and factors have caught the attention of both buyers and fans. Legalizing U.S. penalties against the Tornado Cash cryptocurrency platform is a big deal. This is a big deal in terms of regulatory measures. Also, Craig Wright's claims that there are billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin have been met with skepticism and rejection by the group of people who work on Bitcoin. In the middle of all of this, the growing popularity of ordinary transactions is making NFT supporters question the supposed fall of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's price change is being looked at in the context of this complex mix of factors, which raises the question